Okay, 红烧. Hong is red. Shao is to burn. Together, red burn. Why red burn? Actually, you put things in soy sauce. That's why that thing got the red color. Hong shao is a way to cook something. It's a very traditional Chinese way to cook something. Then I will give you some example. It will be very clear. Okay, be ready. Let's go. 红烧肉. Okay, 红烧 red burn, 肉 meat. 红烧肉. 红烧排骨. 红烧鱼. 鱼 is fish. Then we use the way we call the 红烧 red burn to cook this fish. 红烧鱼. Okay, just to give you an example. 三文鱼 is salmon. It translated by sound. So salmon, we say 三文鱼. Actually, you know the character. 三 is 3, 文 is culture or language. It's not really 3 languages fish. Maybe the fish can speak 3 languages. Okay, maybe that's a good way to remember this word in Chinese. But actually just translated by sound. We call it 三文鱼, 3 languages fish. Next one, 凉拌. Liang is cold. Ban is to stir and mix. So liang ban is also a way to make Chinese food. Liang, it means it's not really be cooked. Ban, you just stir it, mix it. So it's quite easy and it will not take a long time. This one, 凉拌黄瓜. You may learn some of them, then you can really cook some Chinese food. 凉拌土豆丝. 土豆 is potato. 丝 itself means silk. Silk, just here means shredded, means very small pieces. 土豆丝. 凉拌皮蛋. 皮蛋, do you know 皮蛋? Preserved egg? Or some book they call it 1,000-year egg. Why? Because it looks like an egg has been putting for 1,000 years, so become like this color and this feeling. Actually, it's a duck egg, and we do really did something special and put it in some special condition and make it like this. But it is tasty, trust me. When you're in China, try this 皮蛋. Remember that's actually duck egg.